Cross-contact and cross-contamination mean the same thing. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. These two terms are frequently misused or used interchangeably. Cross-contamination is the common cause of foodborne illnesses. Cross-contact is when two foods touch and mix proteins. If cross-contact occurs and is caught by staff before the dish goes to the guest, what should be done about it? A. The chef should be contacted immediately. B. Depending on the severity of the contact, the food may be okay to serve to the guest. C. The manager should be contacted immediately. D. The food should be discarded and remade. The correct answer is D. The food should be discarded and remade. Any amount of cross-contact could transfer enough food protein to trigger an allergic reaction. In all circumstances, the safety of the guest comes before the inconvenience of recooking their order. Listeria monocytogenes is of particular concern because A. It is a bacteria. B. It is a mold. C. Can grow slowly in refrigerators. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Can grow slowly in refrigerators. Listeria monocytogenes is of particular concern because these bacteria can grow slowly in refrigerators. For this reason, it is important to use foods quickly in your restaurant and not let them sit for excessive amounts of time. Which of the following is not a shellfish? A. Shrimp. B. Lobster. C. Mollusk. D. All are shellfish. The correct answer is D. All are shellfish. Examples of shellfish include lobster, shrimp, crab, and mollusks. Which of the following describes a food allergy? A. A minor condition that results in some discomfort. B. When the immune system labels harmful proteins as toxic. C. When the immune system responds to unhealthy food. D. When the immune system mistakenly labels a harmless protein as toxic. The correct answer is D. When the immune system mistakenly labels a harmless protein as toxic. The immune system's job is to protect the body from foreign pathogens. During an allergic reaction, the immune system believes that a harmless food protein or allergen is toxic to the body and attempts to destroy it. The greatest threat of E. coli contamination can be traced to which of the following foods? A. Raw oysters. B. Ground beef. C. Fish. D. Eggs. The correct answer is B. Ground beef. The greatest threat of E. coli contamination can be traced to ground beef. Beef and beef products are the major cause of E. coli-related illness, with ground beef being of particular concern. To avoid this illness, make sure to cook the meat to a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Who is the best person to deliver a meal to a guest with food allergies? A. The server. B. The chef. C. The designated person. D. The manager. The correct answer is C. The designated person. Having the designated person deliver the food reduces the chance of cross-contact. It ensures that the dish will be delivered to the right guest without additional garnishes or sauces being added. What is the level of water activity required for microorganisms to grow? A. 0.92. B. 0.15. C. 0.85. D. 0.83. The correct answer is C. 0.85. The level of water activity required for microbial growth is 0.85. Any level higher than this is considered an environment prone to bacterial growth. For this reason, it is important to treat all foods with water activities above this value as a potentially hazardous food. Water activity, is a measurement of the moisture content of a food. expressed as a ratio of the vapor pressure in the food item in a given condition versus the vapor pressure of distilled water in the same condition. The amount of unbound H2O molecules present in a food generally correlates directly to the likelihood of microbial growth on the food, including yeasts, molds, and bacteria. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy is more commonly known as A. The pig disease. B. West Nile virus. C. Mad cow disease. D. Lupus. The correct answer is C. Mad cow disease. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy is more commonly known as mad cow disease. A protein-based food pathogen, this debilitating disease is caused by a deformed protein within a cow's central nervous system. Unfortunately, no amount of cooking will degrade this protein, so there is no way to protect restaurant customers from contracting mad cow disease. Confirming an allergen special order meal at pickup is mandatory. A. False. B. True. The correct answer is B. True. Pickup is the last chance to confirm that an order is correct before it is delivered to the guest. The person delivering the order should verbally confirm the meal, then carry it by hand to the guest. The food pathogen Clostridium botulinum is often associated with which of the following foods? A. Canned foods. B. Herb-infused oils. C. Smoked or salted fish. D. Smoked or salted fish. The correct answer is D. Smoked or salted fish. Clostridium botulinum is often associated with canned foods, smoked fish, and salted fish. These bacteria thrives in environments where the level of available oxygen is quite low. To avoid these bacteria, make sure to only use properly canned foods and smoked or salted fish that comes from a reputable dealer. Before serving an allergen special order to the guest, what can be done to prevent cross-contact? A. Add side dishes to the plate. B. Serve sides and garnishes on separate plates. C. Allow the food to cool. D. Place the food in a microwave to kill allergens. The correct answer is B. Serve sides and garnishes on separate plates. An allergen special order should be delivered by hand to the guest so that there are no opportunities for cross-contact. Serving sauces and sides on separate dishes are additional ways to prevent cross-contact. When there is a designated person to assist a guest with a food allergy, what is that person's job? A. To take the guest's order. B. To take the guest's order, cook the order, add appropriate garnishes, sides, and sauces, and take the correct plate to the right guest without any cross-contact. C. To add garnishes before serving the order. D. To take the guest's order, communicate it to the chef, and take the correct plate to the right guest without any cross-contact. The correct answer is D. To take the guest's order, communicate it to the chef, and take the correct plate to the right guest without any cross-contact. The goal of the designated person is to make sure a guest with a food allergy gets the correct order. By checking each step in the process, it is much more likely that one designated person will get the order correct than it would be if multiple employees were involved. A parasite is best defined as A. A non-living entity that transfers DNA. B. A really annoying cook. C. An animal which requires another animal for growth. D. A species of bacteria. The correct answer is C. An animal which requires another animal for growth. A parasite is best defined as an animal which requires another animal for growth. Parasites require hosts to grow and live, so they are of particular concern when it comes to the food chain. Gluten is found in which of the following? A. Wheat. B. Barley. C. Rye. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. A wheat, gluten, allergy can cause a large problem for an individual when you consider that it is the most prominent grain product in America. Examples of foods containing wheat are pasta, breadcrumbs, and couscous. Anisaki's food poisoning is commonly associated with which of the following foods? A. Fresh fruit. B. Tofu. C. Raw chicken. D. Wild salmon. The correct answer is D. Wild salmon. Anisaki's food poisoning is most often associated with wild salmon. Anisaki's food poisoning is often associated with freshwater fish, making the thorough cooking of freshwater fish an important part of food safety.